Hopefully it sounds good. What's going on, YouTube? That blue Daytona 392 here, and today recording from my phone. Hopefully it looks good. We're gonna do a video showcasing 1 year ownership of the Daytona. Got my bro's 1320 Scat Pack edition. He never took drag racing yet. Just gonna do a walk around the car and explain to you guys the mods that has been done to this thing as of, well, today, I guess. Quick, well, got a lot of traffic here, unfortunately, so it is what it is, right? So that's how the car looks right now. Start with the back of the car. As every Charger owner, we got a diffuser from Black Ops Auto Works, carbon fiber diffuser paired with the carbon 5-inch exhaust tips. Got a little Daytona decal from, forgot the company, K&G wraps, Nascar style wicker bell put on. We also got our decal that says Daytona on the back. That's from Deluxe. Moving on to the side, we got the ZL1 add-ons, mud guards, whatever you want to call them, protect the paint on the back, brand new tires, brand new rim setup, 315s, Bridgestone Potenzas S007A paired with the Demon replica wheels with the purple decal in the middle. I think it looks a mean setup, and definitely pokes out. Haven't done a 0 to 60 yet, but over here we got a crew decal, an Instagram and tag. Nothing to the side of the car. Same in the front, dirty ass replica wheels, Demons, 275 in the front, stock dimensions for the car. Moving on to the front, where it's all the goodness that happens on this thing. A lot of things to the front. So headlights, it's the Lighting Trends tube DLR setup with the Halo with the diffuser on it. Bottom ones, unfortunately this one is broken for some reason. Does not want to work, so I don't run the bottom ones. You can't even see them anyway if you have the fogs on. Here we got carbon fiber K&G wraps, Canards. I think these came out badass on the car. Adds a unique touch. Merrick Motorsports snorkels that will be swapped out to carbon fiber purple ones soon. We got the Nia Auto Design front end splitter. Couple things about the splitter. The screws they provide to it, I would not recommend using. This thing has not fallen off, but it was flappy on the highway a few times because of the self tab. So we took the bumper off with my dad a couple of Saturdays ago, reinforced all of the screws, everything, new front rods as well. So this thing is stable as hell. And then the canards and the thing and the lights finishing it off. Nothing much in the engine bay, just got a catch can in there for now, and a front plate cover for the electronic area. Interior wise, I'm just gonna go to this side because we got this freaking bolt on the right side. Interior wise, pretty much stock, a little dirty as hell inside. We got the diamond liner inside. Got my American Brother design covers for the turning knobs, and yeah, car has so far been fucking amazing. There's the decal on the back when the lights turn on. Car has been amazing so far. On the steering wheel, I have some carbon fiber, non-official, but looks badass in my opinion. So 1 year ownership and couple months, and the car has been amazing. No real issues with the car. Just get oil change, swapped out, of course, the shitty Pirellis for these Bridgestones, and these are amazing. I love these freaking tires, they feel amazing. Soften up the ride a little bit, made the car look more aggressive with the Demon reps. And yeah, that's, I love this car. It's been an amazing year and 2-3 months of ownership. Has not, most issues I've been having is with the headlights. Mostly controller related issues if we get traffic here like crazy. There we go. Nice Mercedes. And yeah, so we me and my dad rewired the whole lighting stuff that's now in the engine bay. It was in the bumper in the bottom, but it was getting so dirty and it was such a pain to get into. It's in the engine bay now. They've been good so far. Sometimes they shut off, I guess, from the engine heat. They get gets a little hot in there, but haven't had much issues. So moving on to this 1320 owned by the broski. I'm not gonna show his face. I don't know if he wants to show his face. Not a lot has been done to this car, but he likes it the way it is. He likes it stock. He bought it for stock reasons, guess, drag racing wise. He just got these American Motorsports Halo inserts in red. Hellcat lower box. He has the getting racing. What is it called?
I think it's
Grocery getter strut bar. There we go. Messed it up. Billet technology catch can. And then he has a, well, you have an AFE wet air filter. Yeah, AFE wet filter. Still on the stock drag tires. The car came on. Barely any tread on this thing is left.
I do have the.
He has the wide body replicas. Also from factory productions. Also has the Deluxe guards for the side skirts or whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Again, this car has been kept stock. He does have a Borla attack exhaust on this thing. Because the Challenger, compared to my Charger, quietest freaking muscle car I've ever heard in my life.
Just like comparisons. Been muffled the leap before.
Yeah, video's not gonna do justice. You can start it up as I'm backing up into a white fence over here, so you can guys be able to hear attack exhaust in this car. So that's the attack. So what he has also did is stuck the tips out, made it more an aggressive feel of the car. And yeah, he has the red eye, as the 1320 comes with the red eye style rear wing. And that's it. There's nothing much done to this thing.
And start up yours, man.
Start up mine. Videos don't do comparisons, in my opinion. So I would say mine has a, because I don't want to deafen people. I guess mine, when it starts up, has a more of an aggressive pop. Yeah. You have the little resonators on the back of yours. So yeah, 1 year ownership. How has been the 1320 for 1 year and a couple months? Huh?
It's been amazing. Probably gonna keep the same tire setup as you with 305s though in the back.
I mean, video probably can't see it, but you can see the meat difference. Still haven't done a launch on them, but like I told him, I keep telling him, the Go 315s, this car need it. These need it. If you have the stock Pirellis, plastics, whatever you want to call them,
Or even the 245s.
or even the 245s. Jesus, forgot Dodge puts them on them. Just get rid of them. Even swap the tires, rims, do a different setup.
Minimum 275 at least.
It's still 275 for me. They didn't even do it, but
Yeah, we're going from 245 to 275 to do justice.
yeah. So we're gonna do one last pan before I end the video. Since I'm stepping all over leaves and shit, so I'll definitely start doing more. People looking at me like, what the fuck is this guy doing? I'm gonna definitely do more videos of my car whenever I start doing more stuff to it. Right now I'm kind of not done. The rims and tires were done last week. The Canards were done a week prior to that. The splitter and the splitter guards and all that was done a week ago as well. So the only thing I left is I'm getting the new snorkels. I will post them on my Instagram once those come in. Blue Daytona _ 392. Side markers too, I have some tin on them, but I want to get them replaced for a full LED side markers. So I'll be signing off these two cars for ownership. Two bros, muscles. So it's been amazing. Like I said, no issues on any of them. Oil change, tire rotation, and that's it. I mean, there hasn't been any, you had the recall for your radio, but that's not really a mechanical issue. That's just the factory stuff, update stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. We'll post the links of all of the mods on both cars in the description. Show you guys what the cars are rocking, what's the current mods and whatnot, as I almost fell. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.